Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can create a new Python file or project using VS Code, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to create a new Python file or project using VS Code, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for that, first, I want you to make sure that you have installed the Python extension on your VS Code, since this is necessary for you in order to use Python, so if you don't have it yet, just go to the Extensions tab right here. And then search for Python on the search bar. And after that, you will now see many Python-related extensions you can download, but among these options, I want you to select this one. And then you can now install the extension. The install button will be placed around here, but in my case, I don't have the install button since I have already installed this extension, so I don't have to do it again, but in your case, there will be an install button there, so just click it and then your Python extension will install. And once the extensions is done installing, I will now show you how to create or start your Python file. So for the first step, I want you to select the View menu at the top. And then click Command Palette. And after that, a search bar will appear. On this search bar, just enter Python. And then just find the Create Python File option. And after that, your Python file will now be created. And now that you have your Python file, the next step is to save this file so it won't be lost. So to save it, just go to the File menu. And then select Save As. And now your File Explorer will appear, so just go to the location or folder where you want to save your Python file. And once you're at the folder, you can now rename the file depending on what you want, but make sure to not change the file type. And once named, you can now save the file. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you have now completely created your Python file on VS Code, so you can now start coding. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.